Hey there, welcome back to Side Hustles That Pay. Today I'm going to share with you how I've been making up to $500 through online betting and how you can do it too. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. Now, when it comes to online betting, it's important to approach it with caution and responsibility. Remember, there are risks involved, so only bet what you can afford to lose. First up, we have 1xBet, known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of betting options. Next, there's Melbet, which offers competitive odds and a variety of sports to bet on. And finally, we have bettor, renowned for its bonuses and promotions for both new and existing users. Now, onto the strategies I use to maximize my earnings. One tip is to do thorough research before placing any bets. Analyze the teams or players, consider their recent performance, and look out for any key factors that could influence the outcome. Another strategy is to diversify your bets. Instead of putting all your money on one outcome, spread it across multiple bets to increase your chances of winning. And remember, always set a budget and stick to it. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment, and know when to walk away, whether you're winning or losing. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this: hustle hard, dream big, and let's get that money. And if you want to explore more ways to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to Side Hustles That Pay and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay savvy and keep hustling.